Hello guys, welcome back to AWMFX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are. Hopefully you guys out there are doing great, earning a lot of money from the market. Alright, I want to share this one, we call it as setups, alright, a setups review, okay, that I posted in my Facebook page, alright, just to test you guys out. So previously I always tend to post those setups that already happens, alright, and then ask you what is happening. So this time around I'll just cut this one called what, the replay. I'll replay the candle a little bit, and then I ask you just to let you guys understand the concept. So when I asked this question, I saw a lot of people saying that they are going to buy on this setup, which actually is extremely wrong. Okay, now even though this setup has already happened, right, let me go to this is actually Usdjpy on 15 minutes. Even though the setup has already happened, but you need to be very smart with that. Why? Is because if you are saying you're going to buy, all right, then it will be extremely wrong, because in this setup that I posted, it's very obvious. You need to read the structure well. All right, you need to read the structure well. You need to know where is the high and the low. Of course, it will be a little bit tricky. It'll be a little bit tricky. Let me draw it for you. I'll be ignoring the rest, just extended from here. All right, sometimes the candlestick, all right, you look at the candlestick, the hint for, or should I say the tips for this video is that you look at the candlestick. Sometimes the candlestick, if it's a big one, all right, it can be accepted as a structure itself. All right, just like this, you can see that the wick, all right, going down, so it can be accepted as a structure itself. All right, if small like this, no lah, please, it's too small. All right, so it's very well saying that the price almost break the structure, and then it came out, and then this is the real break of structure, right? This is the real break of structure. You can see very well it intended to break, but it didn't. Okay, now this is so obvious. Why I will say that? Because there is only one zone for you to enter, right? There's only one zone for enter. The whole thing, liquidity right here, all right, the price went up and then dropped. Okay, if you say that this is your entry zone, okay, I'll still accept it. If you're able to manage to go down a little bit, small time frame, and refine into this zone, that will be even better. Okay, now we have our setup. All right, we know our structure. Okay, and then what is the price action? So this is extremely obvious when I show it to you. Okay, the price, you need to, don't just watch. I'm telling you, you can actually stop watching my videos right now. Don't watch my video anymore. Go to the chart trading view and then do your own homework, and then do your own assignment, and do your own backtesting. If you keep watching, you are relying on me, you cannot learn and you cannot become a profitable trader. I can tell you that straight to your face. Okay, if I able to watch video and then become good at something, I tell you, I'll be very good football players, or very good sports athletics. All right, I need to go out and do it, practice it. If you look at it, this is very simple. Okay, it's a compression. All right, it's a very clear compression. Okay, you can see the price. What happens to the price? The price keep destroying, or say consuming, its own demand zone all the way, except for this demand zone there. All right, this demand zone there. And then what happened? It creates a liquidity fake out again. This is what we call it as what? Sorry, I thought I was in a live webinar. So this is what we call it as a CPLQ. All right, let me put it down. CPLQ, CP plus LQ. All right, means that it's a compression liquidity. This is extremely powerful setups. All right, this is a very extremely powerful setups. So what happens is that, of course, there is one more demand zone left. That's why when the price break, it goes down all the way. The next thing, it came up back into almost to this area. All right, and then start dropping again. This next time, it will become a blind spots. Okay, so if you say that you want to take profit right here, this actually, you are wasting this setup. All right, this is extremely good setup. If I ever have this kind of setup, what I will do is that I would target right here, because this is the demand zone. All right, a better demand zone. And then not only that, of course, this demand zone is the push that it break structure, and this demand zone, okay, if I take my profit here, I have my huge risk reward ratio. Okay, I won't saying that it will be very big, okay, but it will be a very huge reward ratio. Okay, so this movement is extremely good. Okay, you can see it very well. So remember, don't just watch video, right? Go ahead and do your homework and do your assignment, do your back testing. All right, so hopefully you really get some ideas of trading supply and demand QML from this video and the tips, the important tips of the candlestick. All right, so if you like the video, please do give me a like and subscribe to the channel. All right, so that's all for now. I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye.